Oh, welcome back, conspiracy theorists. My channel just got back from a 2-week suspension, so I wanted to show Google that I'm very, very sorry. I want to that I'm willing to comply with their tyranny. I mean laws. I want to show the U.S. government, the media, and the military, Joe Biden, Donald Trump, everybody that I want to comply with the agendas they're pushing forward. So we're going to get into a couple of conspiracy theories that happened in the National Hockey League. The first one was on February 26th, and the second one was on February 27th. Now, you'll notice that coincidentally, the Minnesota Wild became 11-6 over the team from the city that won the 116th World Series. And notice the Los Angeles Dodgers won that World Series over the Tampa Bay Rays. And notice the Tampa Bay Rays, Tampa, Florida, sums to 116. The Tampa Bay Rays play in St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg, Florida is also 116. February 26th, the date of this game, was the 57th day of the year, and coincidentally, World Series sums to 57. The Minnesota Wild got their 22nd points of the season. That's the master builder number. Master builder is coincidentally 57 as well. So the 2020 World Series, you guys see how coincidentally it ended October 27th on a date with 57 numerology. 10 plus 27 plus 20 is 57. If you deny it, we'll do it in real time. 10 plus 20 plus 27 is indeed 57. And the stadium, the game was played at Globe Life Stadium, or Globe Life Field, which is 269, the 57th prime. It's a coincidence. Now, did you see how the Minnesota Wild won 3-1, scoring 53 goals in the season, and became 4-3 at home? They became 4-3 at home, and coincidentally, Tampa Bay Rays sums to 43. The Dodgers won 43 games during the regular season. Minnesota has scored 53 goals in the season, like how Tampa, Florida sums to 53. Los Angeles sums to 53. This game was against the Los Angeles Kings. And Minnesota gave up 1 goal, meaning they have surrendered 41 in the season, and 41's the 13th prime number, and LA's 13, and the final score of the game ended 1-3. That's conspiracy theory. Now, did you know that the Los Angeles Kings scored 1 goal, giving them exactly 57 goals scored on the 57th day of the year when World Series sums to 57, and this game was not a tribute to the World Series? It's also interesting they had 52 goals against, because 57 plus 52 is 109, like how Los Angeles is 109, and coincidentally, so is Globe Life Field. And we'll just do it in real time since this is conspiracy theory. So 57 plus 52 is 109. It's an interesting coincidence, isn't it? And did you notice that the Los Angeles Kings fell to 6-5 on the road? In case you don't believe it, you can come right here. Los Angeles Kings 6-5 on the road. The World Series ended on the day, leaving 65 days left in the year. Oh, notice the Los Angeles Kings. They stayed on 21 points in the season, like how Wild's 21. Globe Life Field sums to 73. Los Angeles Dodgers sums to 73. Tampa, Florida sums to 7-3. Tom Brady just became 7-3 in Super Bowls. That's a coincidence. 73 is the 21st prime. Wild 21. They stay on 21 points. It's all conspiracy theory. So we're going to get to another conspiracy theory. Notice the goaltender of the Minnesota Wild, Cam Talbot. Notice he has the 5/7 birthday, and coincidentally, Cam Talbot sums to 57. Notice he became 4-2 in the season, like how the World Series ended 4-2. Think about the death of Chadwick Boseman, who dropped dead at age. Chadwick Boseman played Jackie Robinson in the movie 42. He dropped dead at age 42 on Jackie Robinson Day. Then the Los Angeles Dodgers went on to win the World Series 4-2 on the anniversary of Jackie Robinson's funeral. That's all conspiracy theory, though. So this game comes 236 days after Talbot's birthday, and notice Los Angeles Kings, when you run the alphabetic order, is 236. It's conspiracy theory. Now, a day later, on February 27th, the Tampa Bay Lightning, again, this is a conspiracy theory, but this was the first time they played since the Stanley Cup final, Lightning and Stars. And you'll notice that the Lightning coincidentally won 5-0, and the goal scorers were number 71, 91, 18, 14, and 21. And we'll do this in real time if you don't believe me. 71 plus 21 plus 18 plus 14 plus 21. Notice how it does. Wait, what happened? I must have punched in the right conspiracy theory. Hang on. 71 plus 91 plus 18 plus 14 plus 21. That's the conspiracy theory we want. See how it sums to 215? Now, what I want you to notice here is this game was exactly 21 weeks and 5 days after the Stanley Cup final ended. They win 5-0, and the goal scorers, coincidentally, their numbers sum to 215. Now, to further the coincidences, I want you to see how the Tampa Bay Lightning became 9-1 at home, like how this was a rematch of the Stanley Cup Finals, and coincidentally, Stanley Cup Finals sums to 91. And to add to the conspiracy theory, the Tampa Bay Lightning won the Stanley Cup Finals over the Dallas Stars by getting their 91st all-time playoff win. And 91's the 13th triangular number, and Dallas is 13, and they were in Super Bowl 13, which they also lost. And also notice how the Dallas Stars entered the Stanley Cup Finals in the 103rd season of the NHL by having 91 all-time playoff losses. They won 2 games in the Stanley Cup Final, meaning they entered the finals in the 103rd season of the NHL by getting their 103rd all-time playoff win. 103 is the 27th prime number, and Dallas Stars sums to 27, and it was their 27th season since relocating from Minnesota. And the last time the Stars and Lightning played prior to the Stanley Cup was the 27th day of the year, and the Stars won 2 games in the finals, giving them 27 all-time wins versus the Lightning. That's all a coincidence. All a coincidence. So I think we'll leave it there. I don't want to blow your mind too much. There's a few more things that we could talk about, but I think we hit the main conspiracy theories. We do this every night in the NHL. In an hour and a half, we're going to get another conspiracy theory starting on the Patreon page. But you can sign up for that, by the way. The link will be in the description. But yeah, I mean, it's just it's pretty funny how they have all of this perfectly synced together through a conspiracy theory, All right, guys. God bless Joe Biden. Till next time.